thing that never ceases to amaze me about the commercial real estate industry is how often processes are absent from managing commercial property. Whether you're an owner, a broker, a property manager, the financial accountant involved, I believe it's so important to have a very clear step-by-step process associated with everything you do related to commercial properties. There are so many nuances and little minute details that seem easy to remember and might not be something that you need to feel like you write down every day, right? But I cannot tell you how often, especially when working on a transaction specifically, whether that's a sale or a lease or whatever it may be, right, that things get missed, they get overlooked, they get forgotten, right? And a lot of that has to do with people not having defined processes. I personally make it a significant point to have a very clear, defined step-by-step checklist for every type of transaction I work on. I use software to manage it. If you were to go look at most of my deal processes, most of them have anywhere from 50 to 100 checkpoints along the way of managing the transaction. And that's really to make sure that everything goes smoothly, nothing is forgotten, and that the extra step is taken to ensure the transaction goes smoothly. And so for any of those looking out there for advice on how to do that, I'm happy to share what I do, but I really can't stress how important it is to those practicing commercial real estate. Again, ownership side, brokerage side, whatever professional type you are in this industry, is there are too many nuances and too many things that can get missed to not have a very clear process defined. So hope that gives you some thoughts and some insights. And again, happy to discuss anytime.